Hi, good morning everyone. Today our topic pollination. What do you mean by pollination? Yeah, the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of the stamen to the stigma of the pistil by air, water, insect, etc. is called pollination. In nature, pollination takes place in two ways. First, self pollination, and second, cross pollination. What is self pollination? Self pollination which takes place within the same flower or between two flowers of the same plant is called self pollination. And second, cross pollination which takes place between two flowers present on two different plants of the same species is called cross pollination. The male gametes are safely packed inside the pollen grains. The protective coat on the pollen grains prevents the gametes from drying. एजेंट ऑफ पॉलिनेशन मीन्स ये जो पॉलिनेशन होता है इसके कुछ एजेंट होते हैं, वो कौन कौन से हैं उनके बारे में हमें क्या करना है, स्टडी करना है. द मोस्ट कॉमन एजेंट ऑफ पॉलिनेशन आर विंड, वाटर, इंसेक्ट. पॉलिनेशन बाय विंड, पॉलिन ग्रेन और लाइट. जो पॉलिन ग्रेन्स होते हैं वो बहुत हल्के होते हैं. वेट, उनका वेट क्या होता है, लाइट होता है, हल्का होता है एंड कैन बी इजली टेकन अवे बाय द विंड फ्रॉम वन फ्लावर टू अनदर. द विंड पॉलिनेटेड फ्लावर्स नीड नॉट बी हाईली brightly colored. Strong smell, producing nectar. Second, pollination by water. Flowers of a water-borne plant may release pollen grains from it another in water. These pollen grains are carried to the stigma of the flowers of anther plant of the same kind by water currents, causing pollination. The plants such as sea grass, hydrilla and valerianeria get pollinated through water. Pollination by insect. Insect cause pollination in flowers which produce nectar. Flower may be highly colored or strong smelling to attract insect. When an insect gets the nectar, pollen from the anther stick to its body. When the insect carrying pollen visit another flower of the same kind, some of the pollen get transferred into the stigma of the flower. Thus, the second flower gets pollinated. Okay. Thank you, students.